Hello Internet. In this video we are going to compare the performance of Numpy with the performance of JAX when we are doing some numerical computing on the CPU only. Alright, so let's get started with Numpy. Now, to see a noticeable difference in the performance, we need to be working with very large arrays. So let's create a large array of size, say 10,000 by 20, and another array of size say 20 by 15,000. Now we are going to be multiplying these two arrays and we are going to treat them as matrices. So let's create a lambda called matmul, and just say x at y here. And now to measure the performance of this operation, we are going to make use of timeit. And all we need to do is create a lambda where we pass a and b to matmul, and let's do this about 10 times. So this took 2.2 seconds. Let's try it 30 times. This took almost 7 seconds. So this is slow. Let's see if JAX can help. So let's import JAX now and import the Numpy interface that JAX offers, and we can import it as JNP. And now we need to convert A and B to a format that JAX understands. So let's say AJ equals JNP.array A, and bj equals jnp.array b. Now we shouldn't be passing aj and bj to our matmul lambda directly, because JAX runs its operations in parallel and we need to do some blocking. So let's create another lambda called matmul JAX. And this is simply going to take the result of matmul and block until it's ready. Okay, so we could simply say matmul JAX of matmul of AJ and BJ. Yeah, so now let us try to time the performance of this. So as you might remember, this took 7 seconds, I think. Yeah. So now we are going to replace this with matmul JAX. And we're going to say AJ and BJ here. As you can see, this took just 2 seconds. So JAX is way faster than plain Numpy.